All right, guys, we're here today at 18429 West Illini Street. As you can see, we're going to take a start inside today. We do just have a little bit of roof repair going on out front, but that will be all done well before you guys were to move in. As you can see, we have the front door here right behind us. So this is kind of what you would see as soon as you step inside. You can see very light and bright, and also just a very large, spacious, open concept as well. And the one thing that I really like about this home is these cool designs on the wall. So it just adds some nice texture to the room, makes it feel even more open, and it just looks really cool to have in your home as well. But as soon as you take a quick step in, you're gonna have this little area to your right. You're gonna have a little storage closet here. And then you're actually going to have a full bedroom and bathroom. So let's take a look at the bedroom first. As you can see, it faces out towards the front and the side of the home. And again, very nice, light and bright in here. And of course, a full-size closet as well as your ceiling fan. And then directly off of the bedroom, you're going to have your bathroom, which you can see is actually a full bathroom with a beautiful vanity and a nice walk-in shower. And then once we step through, you're going to have a separate den area. As you can see, a very nice sized space, as well as this beautiful flooring all throughout. This would make a great office or even like a playroom. Anything you really wanted to make this room, you can, because it's so open. And then of course your nice big window and your ceiling fan as well. And then into the main area of the home, you're gonna have this massive living area, which you can see comes all the way down here, which could also double as a dining area with this really cool chandelier. And then you're gonna have a fantastic kitchen over here. So you can see all stainless steel appliances, very, very high end as well. And then beautiful granite countertops with the dark cabinets all throughout, which I think looks amazing. Take a quick look from this way. So as you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And then of course, some more storage and counter space over here as well. And then if we actually step through the kitchen, you're gonna have even more storage in here. And of course, your nice walk-in pantry as well, which you can see wraps all the way around inside. And then you'll have access to your 2-car garage, which also has access out to the side yard or side of the home as well. And let's go ahead and take a step back into the bedroom area. So we do have the 1 bedroom and bathroom up at the front, but then you're gonna actually have your own separate wing back here for all of your other bedrooms. So let's take a step to the left first, and we'll step into another guest bedroom, which you can see again, the really cool details on the wall. And it's also just very nice sized bedrooms as well. And then there's actually going to be another guest bedroom here, which we'll take a look at in a second. And both of these bedrooms will actually share this huge hall hall bathroom. So you can see beautiful shower tub combo, and then of course the same countertops and cabinets from the kitchen get carried throughout all the bathrooms. And then here's your other guest bedroom, which you can see again, almost a copy of the first. Nice big window, very nice sized closet as well as your ceiling fan. And then down the hallway, you're gonna have another storage closet as well as a massive laundry room. So you can see in here, you even get a sink and tons of space in here. And then you're also gonna have your primary bedroom, which you can see is a massive, massive space. Some nice big windows as well. And then one of my favorite parts of the home is actually going to be the shower in here. You can see it's a very unique design. So you walk in over here, but the actual shower is all the way back there as well. And then of course your beautiful countertops and cabinetry again, as well as a private toilet area, which you can see in here. And then again, your nice primary closet as well. So we'll go ahead and take a step out into the backyard, and I will see you guys out back. All right, guys, here we are out in the backyard. As you can see, we have a beautiful covered area out here with some nice built-in sunshades as well, and a really nice high-quality brick area. And then you can see you have a beautiful backyard out here. So really cool cover out there in the back. Tons and tons of turf area, as well as a little planter area over there as well. And then off to the side, the yard is actually ginormous. So you can see all the way over here as well. You have a nice natural grass area and some beautiful landscaping and just tons of space out here. So I mean, this is the perfect home if you have kids, you know, anybody that needs lots and lots of space to run around. This is a perfect option for them. So I mean, if you guys have any questions, you can look at our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.